where you will find the spa. See, the spa is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's
Okay.
also a gym right in there. The gym is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And right in the spa is a small swimming pool. See, anytime you like to use it, you can just come right here.
So we're in room 326. There's the lovely fountain outside, some artwork, and this is where you're gonna find your refrigerator. Coffee and alcohol and peanuts. And they told me that for room service to replace the peanuts, because these are some good peanuts, I guess, they do charge $20 for room service. So if you want peanuts, don't just order one bag, order like 10, because it's gonna cost you $20 for room service, that is. But you can always buy them in the gift shop or whatever, or just wait till the next day. And then here we go. That good. And as you walk in, I mean, look at this. This whole seating area, remote, coffee tables, and champagne, which is on ice for me waiting. Thanks. You're definitely in the jungle at this resort. I have had things running around on my roof, and luckily I took a nap in the middle of the day, so I kind of knew already what that sound was, but I'm staying here by myself, so it would have freaked me out if I heard it in the middle of the night. So just to warn you, there is a lot of wildlife in the area. Of course, you're in the jungle. So this means that it's locked, and to unlock it, you just pull it down. Hello. So you get 2 chairs, and you can fill this bad boy up with bath water. And there's your rain shower. A little 2-seater. And your cenote. And your neighbors are pretty far over. There's people on the side of that wall too, but. And bro, these doors are heavy. So pretty with the sun coming in the morning. This is all your light controls here. Sorry, that's my charger. This is all your light controls. So this controls the fan, and you have about like 5 different light options there. And then you get about 5 pillows, nice and plump. And their sheets are pretty warm here. The mattress is on the thinner side, but it's really comfortable, so. Here is the best part of the room. It's a full-length mirror, and it's a sliding door. So you can either close it to the bathroom or keep it open, but it runs on this track up there. Some more artwork. You also have the 2 deck chairs, and then here's your TV. When I went into one of the other rooms, they had another phone here on the desk. So that was the one that they used to make all of their phone calls, and the one next to the bed wasn't working. But the TV is pretty big. And then you're going to love this bathroom. It's amazing. So you get 2 robes. Generally speaking, I've been using one for outside, and then I usually sleep in that one because, you know, it's just me here, so I'm making the most of it. But you get 2 robes. I just think this is so pretty. And they have natural light coming in too. Of course, I started filming when they're doing the leaf blowing. They keep everything super clean here, so he's right out there. But I basically followed him home, so that's my bad because I was going on the same journey as he was. And here we have a whole bunch of goodies. Little mirror. Just to remind you guys, a lot of times the scale is not for yourself, it is for your luggage. So don't take it personally that they put a scale in here. A lot of people use it to weigh their luggage before they head back. Here's a bunch of my stuff, but they give you some towels and soap. I really like these glasses, they're really cute. And then here's your tap water. Hot is on the left and cold is on the right. This huge mirror. And then this is where they hang your towels. I had more towels, but again, I'm the only one here, so I doubt they're gonna like replace a lot of things because I told them I don't really need anything. And then here is the shower. And there's 2 showers. So if you and your lovely someone want to shower at the same time, they're both the rain shower style, and I'll show you what that looks like. So it's pretty good rain pressure. It's pretty good water pressure. And there's the view of your outside bath. Just to warn you, those are your neighbors over there. And you also have neighbors over there. So make sure, and this is the walkway right here. Remember where the fountain is? So you come around this way and the fountain is like right around the corner. So you might see some people walking down this little path over here to take a look at the cenote. But otherwise, people generally like stay in their room. And then here we have the bathroom. Just a simple toilet. So pretty. The fans are really strong. I haven't really been using fans because I don't like fans, but I like that there's the option. And pardon my mess, it's about to be all over the place in here. But here is slippers, you get slippers. Here's the safe. It's a pretty big safe actually, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. They have drawers, safe. They have this massive walk-in closet. There's my safe, drawers, mirror. Can even get changed in here. Oh my gosh, they even give you an umbrella. And they give you a beach bag. They also give you one of the stands for your luggage. We're out on my patio tonight and I'm going to give you a view. I'm hoping to see some monkeys or some other wildlife. I doubt it, but high hopes. They say they only come out at like 6 in the morning, so I guess I'll just have to get up early.